Bladeball has grown to become one of the most popular games on Roblox, averaging between 15 and 20 million visits every day. Well, every successful game has a story behind it, which we will be exploring in this video. Chunch joined Roblox in the middle of 2016, and never knew that the decision he made would change his life forever. He loved making games, as he made over 4 games, which might not sound like a lot, but he worked on every game like it was his biggest project ever. His first game was called Journey to the Great Plains, probably based off the 2D runner template from Roblox Studio, which kinda makes sense since he was new to Roblox game development. It was released 3 years after he joined Roblox. On the same day, he released another game called The Great Plains, which was probably a successor to his first game. It was like a place to celebrate reaching the Great Plains. Anyways, it was cool. Neither of the games reached peak popularity, but he went on to make 3 more games over the years. One day, Chunch was playing a Roblox game called Deflect. It was a game where you deflect a ball coming towards you, and you had to strategize when to deflect the ball and be precise. The player who misses the ball gets hit with it and loses. So Chunch created a group called Wiggity and teamed up with some of his developer friends to make a game based on its concept. He did change a little bit in the concept, and added unique weapons to deflect the ball with. He also added more interesting abilities, and many other stuff. Then many TikTokers started playing it. Eventually, the trend reached YouTube, and many YouTubers like Think Noodles, Russo, Project Supreme and many other popular YouTubers with over millions of subscribers, that lead to the game receiving a big kickstart for its uprise. The game continues receiving updates constantly, with its fanbase growing even bigger. They also added voice chat when it was being used more, so that made it one of the not so many games having voice chat back then. It went on to become the fastest game to reach 1 billion visits on Roblox, beating Doors and Piggy, thus reaching 1 billion visits in just over 60 days. While Bladeball was crushing Roblox records, Deflect, the original game idea, was going downhill. Although some people still play it, Bladeball has done a much better job at making the concept. So to any developer out there, if you have an idea, make it as best as possible before someone else does it in a better way. As it's the best interpretation that wins the market, not the idea. Anyways, that was it on the uprise of Bladeball. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate you watching this one.